Hello viewers, many people have bought iPad 10th generation as well as iPad 11th generation, and if you have not yet bought any accessories regarding this iPad, in that case in this video you will come to know about the pencil, about the screen guard, and also about the cover or case that you can use on your iPad 11th generation. If you want to buy any third-party Ipencil, I will suggest you two names. The first Ipencil that you can buy is King 1 upgraded stylus pen, compatible for iPad 10th generation and iPad 11th generation. This is a very good Ipencil. The price of this Ipencil is around 1500 rupees, but in offers you can get this pencil at around 1.1 or 1.2k. This pencil has all the features like palm rejection, and also there is magnet, and also scribble feature is accessible using this Ipencil. The second Ipencil alternative that you can buy is DigiRoot Ipencil, that will cost around 1.3k, but in offers you can also buy this Ipencil at around 1.1k. Actually, there are many Ipencil alternatives in Amazon and in Flipkart, but these two I think will be very good for your purpose. Tempered glass is a very important thing in an iPad. In that case, I can suggest you ESR tempered glass for iPad 10th and iPad 11th generation. You will get two pieces of this screen guard, and that will cost around 1.4k. It is an expensive screen guard, but it will protect your screen from damage. Next, if you want to buy a good quality cover for iPad 10th or iPad 11th generation, in that case I will suggest you to buy Spigen or Spigen liquid air folio cover for iPad 11th generation. We all know that Spigen is a very good brand. The price of this Spigen cover is little bit on the higher side. It is priced at 1.8k, but this is a very good cover, I would say. And if you don't want to spend this much amount, in that case you can buy Pro Light Smart Case for iPad 11th generation. It will cost around 529 rupees, and during offers you can get it around 500 rupees. So these are some of the accessories that you can buy. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you are using any other accessories or not. If you want to buy these accessories, the links are in the description below. Click that link and buy. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.